Welcome to Nona's Here. I'm Nona. Welcome to my channel and my home. Today I have Boxycharm. My November 2020 Boxycharm arrived and I sure am excited. So let's get into it and see what I got. Boxycharm is a subscription box that costs $25 a month. It is renewable. You do not have to, there I dropped my cutter, just a minute, I'll be right back. I'm back. You don't have to renew it every month. Of course, you can cancel it anytime. The shipping is free. And you get it every month, but every 3 months you have the opportunity to get the Boxycharm Premium, which I will get next month, and it's always a real goodie. The Boxycharm Regular, you get at least $125 of products. You get 5 full size products of beauty products. It can be hair care, makeup, skin care, nail care, all kinds of neat things. I love Boxycharm. So when I open it up, this is what I see. And the first thing is a card, and the card has the theme for the month. And this month it is Harvest. And then on the back of the card, it tells you what you're getting, and it tells you a little description about everything in the box and the retail price. And that I really like about Boxycharm, is it tells you not only a description of the product, but what the retail price is of the product. And at the end, I'll add up what my Boxycharm, the retail price is, and I'll put it on the screen. So for those of you who get Boxycharm and you're interested, I got number 26, variation number 26. Sometimes people like to compare what they get. Okay, and then I also got a card for Natasha Denona is treating charmers to 25% off. All right, and Boxycharm is like getting a gift every month. I just love it. And for me, it is a gift because I never see the credit card charge price. So it's just like, for me, a gift. Okay, so the first thing, I see, is a palette, and it is called a Peak palette, and it is a Natasha Denona palette. And let me open it up. I don't know whether everyone got this or not, but I have seen other people get it, and it is a beautiful neutral palette. It has the colors of, let me get out my little magnifying glass here. Aya, A-Y-A, Jasper, Thorn, Amhara, and Shine. Okay, so this is Shine. The next one is Amhara. That's a beautiful pumpkin color. Then Thorn, which is a dark brown. Then Jasper. And then Aya, which looks like more of a shimmer. Beautiful, beautiful colors. Beautiful fall and winter colors. Okay, I'm real excited about that. And Natasha Denona is a very high-end product. Let's see how much it cost retail. $48. Okay, so that more than paid for my $25 Boxycharm box. Let's see what else I got in here. This is antioxidant spray toner, Dr. Brandt. Let's see if you can see that. It is a spray toner, antioxidant. This toner is packed with an antioxidant-rich blend of green tea and white tea to shield your skin from free radicals and environmental stressors. We don't go out that much anyway, so. But I guess it's good if we do go out. It's formulated with red rose wine and lotus flower extract to tone, soothe, and purify, leaving skin feeling soft, hydrated, and revitalized. It's $40. Okay, and how much is in here? 3.4 fluid ounces. Okay, I don't think I've ever had a spray toner before, so I'm looking forward to using that. Dr. Brandt, which is not cruelty-free if you all are into cruelty-free. But I'm looking forward to using that. That's good. So far I've had $48 and $40. All right, now I have Pure Primcrow Primer, Long Wear Sticky Pigment Base. This is by, never heard of this before, Pico. Here we go. Water-based primer designed to glue eyeshadow in place. I've got to say that so far this does not sound attractive. And to maximize color and pearl dimension, it's water and wear resistant and enriched with shea butter. That sounds good. To provide skin conditioning and moisturizing benefits. It also works as a glitter glue. I do not use glitter on my eyes. I think that can be kind of dangerous, although I do use shimmer and shiny eyeshadow, but not glitter. Mix with your favorite concealer to customize the primer's shade. All right, it looks like that. It is sealed. I'm not going to open it. I don't know about this. Let's see, it costs $15. And you get doesn't say, but this is supposed to be full size, 8 milliliters for $15 from a brand I've never heard before, Alamar. Okay, I don't know. I'm a little skeptical about this one. All right, what else is in here? This is Kush, before after, 9.5 milliliters. I have heard of Kush before and I have used it. Makeup. Let's see, Kush. And makeup. And it comes, where's my cutter? In this dry fold box. I have no nails on because I've been crafting. Ooh, okay, there we go. Here we go. What is this? Kush Makeup Mascara, waterproof mascara. It's pretty packaging, I'll say that. Milk. Not going to open it because I'm already going through a lot of mascara, and as soon as you open it, it starts aging. Let's see what it says. <coughs> Excuse me. Milk Makeup Kush Waterproof Mascara. Waterproof intense black mascara with thickening heart-shaped fibers. Okay. And conditioning hemp-derived cannabis seed oil. Okay. $24. All right. It's very heavy. Very heavy. Okay, so now we're putting cannabis on our eyes. Let's see, how does this close up? Close this like this. I'll fix with that later. Okay, so there's one more thing in here. Half-caked Game Changer. Looks like a deck of cards. Vegan, babe tested, vegan approved. 3 lip fondants. This is by Half Caked. These lip fondant liquid lipsticks go on with a feather light texture. You know, okay, there we go. So you open it up, and that's what it looks like. I was really afraid it was a deck of cards. Ooh, pretty, pretty, pretty. Okay, so we've got Half Caked, and there's confetti on the lids. Don't know whether you can see that. And this one is called Theme Song. And it's a very neutral, beigey color. I like that. Then this one is called Low Key with the confetti on the lid. And it's more of a pinky rose. I like that. Yep, neutral. And then this one is called Bordeaux, 82 Bordeaux. That's a wine color. Oh, this is pretty. This is much more color. This is more of a reddish color. See, you can see it. Very, I don't want to, more of a dark color. I like all 3 of these colors. This one is very neutral. This one is very pinky rose neutral. And this one is very dark, but still a neutral. Those are the 3. I like those. I think those are really nice. And this retails for $32. Not bad at all. Half Cake, that's the brand name, Game Changer, 3 lip fondants. Okay, so let's recap. What did I get? I got the Natasha Denona eye palette, which I really like, and that was $48. I got the Dr. Brandt antioxidant spray toner, and that was $40. I got the Milk mascara, and that was $24. I got the Strange Alamar Cosmetics Longwear Sticky Pigment Base Eye Primer, and that was $15. And then I got the Half Caked Game Changer Trio Lip Fontan with the confetti caps. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got 5 full-size products. Plus I got a 25% off Natasha Denona coupon. Very good. I would say this is a big winner. I love everything. The only thing I'm skeptical about is this thing. I don't know about that. But I would say this is a 5 out of 5 Boxycharm for $25. I'll add up the total and put it down below. That is it for my November 2020 Boxycharm. Thanks so much for joining me. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button for me. I'm still working hard to get to 100, and I know I can do it if you'll help me out. Remember, I post every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. I do subscription box unboxings. I do DIY crafting, and right now it's a lot of Christmas crafting. I do Dollar Tree hauls. I do makeup and skincare, beauty, and we're just here to have fun, and I hope you'll join us. So that's it for today. I hope to see you next time, and be kind to everyone, because there's a lot of crazies out there.